It's 5 to 5. Do you envision longer?
Oh, I don't think I'm allowed to go much longer. So we're going to go as far with Mr. Schwartz as we can and see where that gets us.
I don't know if anyone's waiting in the hallway.
They back on or yeah. Okay. So keep going.
Thank you.
We got 5 minutes.
So just as a recap, we looked over Exhibit 14, which is confidential. It was questions about specific terms. Testimony is still held in confidence. Ultimate answers were given in that confidential portion of the hearing. Mr. Schwartz, just to clarify, Taxi Management LLC, I believe you testified previously in your deposition, is the largest taxi provider in Clark County. Is that accurate?
Correct.
And you have filed an intervener into this case. Is that accurate?
Correct.
Just, I guess, in a blunt and for sake of time, do you support a 50-cent pass-through fee? And there have also been a number of different agreements that have been brought to the attention of this board through the course of this proceeding. Correct?
That's the testimony I've heard.
Just for a recap, there's the draft patent license agreement. There is a draft confidential settlement agreement. I believe Mr. Massell went through a number of agreements. Do you recall that?
I recall the testimony.
Did you have an opportunity to negotiate or have any discussions related to those agreements?
No.
No further questions. Thank you.
Sure. Okay. So we're done with this witness. He didn't do any redirect.
This was from Mr. Tomlinson's question.
He-
It's fine.
Well,
I'll put it in my brain.
Hasn't gotten around. Now.
all right, you can ask the question. Go ahead. I'd rather have it asked than not asked.
My line of questioning just goes to the topic of ripeness. I think you use that terminology. And ripeness, while it's a legal concept, by you using it, you made that challenge that this matter is not right, correct?
It's not right for me to hire IP counsel yet, given claims that have been made against my company.
Okay, so for clarification, your challenge to ripeness is based on your not hiring counsel, not Mr. George's application. I'm sorry, George Balaban's application.
I mean, overrule. We know what the testimony.
I just,
Good answer.
sorry.
What's the question?
Okay, you brought up ripeness and that this is not right. What did you mean by it's not right?
It's not right for my company or to a conglomerate of people in the technology or taxi cab business to challenge these patents with our own IP counsel yet.
So your ripeness is related to that action, not the application that Desert Cab has brought forward.
Correct.
Okay. Thank you.
Well, Mr. Yorio, do you have any questions regarding what Ms. Bremser just asked? Okay, Mr. Sheriff. Well, actually, should probably
Ms.
go
Guerra?
Ms. Guerra.
No, I don't.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Guerra. Sorry.
Mr. Schwartz, when you used the word ripeness in your testimony, were you referring to the legal argument that's been made by the Attorney General's office and by us with regard to this particular matter being ripe?
No.
So you were not intending to make any conclusion with regard to that particular issue? Thank you.
Have you received any correspondence from IVSC IP LLC as to an infringement of their patents?
I have not.
has Captain sent you any correspondence saying that you're in violation of IVSC LLC's, IP LLC's patents?
No.
All I got. We'll let, you have any questions about my questions?
Follow up.
Sure. Sure.
Mr. Schwartz. You testified that you had a couple of conversations with me about patents. Was the subject of infringement. Did that come up in those discussions?
Yes.
And did I indicate to you, without waiving any attorney-client privilege, views about infringement of the 5 patents that have been issued to IVSE? And what was that remark?
I remember quite a bit about the conversation. What do you want me to respond to?
To the best of your recollection, what did you hear from me on the subject of infringement of the 5 IVSC patents?
You thought that my recollection of what you said during that conversation was that you believed that IVSC might have been maybe being supported by, I think you said, a private equity company that supports these types of claims, that makes investments in these types of claims, and that you believe that there were arguments that one may be able to sustain to invalidate the claims, but that the claims could also be found valid. One or the other could be true. That's what I recall.
And on the subject of infringement, do you have recollection of discussion on that point?
I think I just answered.
So you talked about validity and.
Well, that's what I mean by infringement. That's when I say validity, I mean infringement.
I'm sorry, I might have misunderstood you. So you said the word validity, but you were generally referring to
I
infringement?
recall you saying whether or not Captain had. I don't recall.
Don't recall. And the rest of it is as you just testified?
That's what I recall from the conversation.
Nothing further.
Anybody have any questions on that? Okay. So
Good.
you are released, Mr. Schwartz. Because I don't have any questions. No. I think that we are going to adjourn for the day due to our staff and respect for them. We start again tomorrow, same thing. It's on, it's noticed for 9 or 9:30.
9:30?
Okay.
I thought it was 9 o'clock.
So same-
Same as today, wasn't
Same
it?
as today, everybody be here at 9. We're starting promptly at 9:30. And then we'll go to that. So let's tell me who else has to testify? Mr. Sure.
Mr. Vishal Dewan, and Mr. Michael Bailey. I think that's it. Cheryl Gibbons was on the witness list, but we filed testimony. I don't believe she's going to be available tomorrow. And that's fine. I don't think her testimony was critical to our case.
Okay.
Respect to Ms. Gibbons, if she is available, hopefully that would be satisfactory with us. We would have a few questions for her.
Oh.
We'll check to see.
Deal with that tomorrow. All right.
And what is the order? Because we have to deal with remote for Mr.
For who?
Mr. Dewan was Dewan. He's in New York, so.
I mean, that's what I was saying, that Mr. Sure needs to coordinate with kind of secretary to how we do it. And you're definitely going to need the Zoom login info and all of that. So they're asking, when are you going to call him? First thing or last? When?
Gonna check with him?
Normally, it's my preference when I'm in these types of trial or something like that, that if you've got somebody that's going to be remote, I would say let's have them on for 9:30 or a specific time. Because we don't know how long the witnesses are going to take tomorrow. So that's why I would say just if we can, and I know they're 3 hours ahead, so
That would be my preference to have him on first thing. I just wanted to confirm that he didn't have a conflicting commitment.
I get it. I get it. And if you
Yes, the
think,
conflict will accommodate it. I prefer 9:30.
I get it. Everybody seems to be working together and scheduling, so we're good. All right, anything else before we go off the record? All right, let's go off the record.
I don't think it's necessary, but do you want to do public comment?
Nope, I'm gonna do it tomorrow.